Welcome back. Today we'll solve some questions based on geometry and mensuration. So let's get started. First question. A solid wooden toy in the shape of a right circular cone is mounted on top of a hemisphere. If the radius of the hemisphere is 4.2 centimeter and the total height of the toy is 10.2 centimeter, find the volume of the wooden toy. So hemisphere is nothing but half of the sphere. So if you cut the sphere into half, it will become hemisphere. So it is said that right circular cone is mounted on top of hemisphere. So we have a hemisphere. And on top of that, this is the hemisphere. Top of that we have a cone. So this is the wooden toy. And the radius of the hemisphere is given as 4.2. So this will also be the radius for the cone, right? The total height. So this total height from this point to this point is given as 10.2 centimeter. So since this is an hemisphere, this will also be 4.2 centimeter, right? So what will be the height of the cone? So height of the cone is 10.2 minus 4.2, which is 6 centimeter. Okay. So we are asked to find the volume of the wooden toy. So volume of the wooden toy is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of hemisphere is, so volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere will be half of it, so it will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. So we have 1 by 3 into pi into r square. So r is 4.2 square into h plus 2 by 3 into pi into r cube, which is 4.2 whole. Here the height and r are in centimeters, so we needn't convert between the units. We can just substitute. So simplifying, we can use calculator here. 1 by 3 into pi into 4.2 whole square into 6. So this is 110.835 plus 2 by 3 into pi into 4.2 whole cube. So this is 155.17. So adding these both, we get 266.005, and the units is centimeter cube because all are in centimeter. So this is the closest one, right? So 266 is the answer. Next question. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. Okay. If we have AB equal to 4 centimeter, ED equal to 3 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter, and CE is 4.2 centimeter and CD is 4.8 centimeter. Find the value of CA and CB. So similar triangles, we know the sides are proportionate, are in equal proportions. So AB by ED is equal to BC by DC is equal to CA by CE. So AB is given, right? AB by ED is given 4 by 3. BC we need to find, which is nothing but CB. BC is equal to CB, and DC is nothing but CD, 4.8. CA we need to find, and CE is 4.2. So we can just take the first ratio to find CB. So 4 by 3 is equal to CB by 4.8. So CB is equal to 4 by 3 into 4.8. So this is 1.6 times. So 1.6 into 4 will give you 40 plus 16, which is 56, 5.6. So CB is 5.6 centimeter. Then we'll consider this and this. So 4 by 3 is equal to CA by 4.2, which implies that CA is equal to 4 by 3 into 4.2. This is 1.12 is 4 times 1.4 into 4. So 16, 5 points. So this is 5.6 centimeter. This is actually 6.4. Calculation mistake. Yeah. So we have CA as 5.6 and CB as 6.4. So the answer should be 5.6 and 6.4. Option D. Okay. Third question. Find the value of x in the given figure. Okay. We'll copy the figure. So we can see this A, B, O and C forms a quadrilateral. So what will be this angle? This angle will be 360 degree minus x, correct? Because this is x. This will be 360 minus x. And using the property, so if you have a chord BC, the chord subtends twice the angle at the center than at the circle. So chord subtends twice the angle at the center of the angle on the circle. So if this is y, then x will be 2y. In other words, if this is x, then this will be x by 2. So now we have all the 4 angles of the quadrilateral. We can just add them and we know what it will be equal to. 20 degree plus 360 degree minus x plus 30 degree plus x by 2 is equal to 360 degree, right? So 20 plus 30 will give you 50 degree minus x by 2 is equal to 0. So x by 2 is equal to 50 degree and x is equal to 100 degree. So we were asked to find x, which is nothing but 100 degree. Next question. Find the value of x in the given figure. Okay, so this is little bit involved if you don't know the shortcut method. So we'll first derive the shortcut, then we'll use it directly. Okay, so suppose there is an external point and it cuts the circle at 2 points. At each line cuts at 2 points, A, B and CD. So if we join AC and BD, if you see ABCD forms a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Now, so this angle plus this angle is 180 degree, but this angle plus this angle is also 180 degree. So we have this angle is equal to this angle. So angle PAC is equal to angle PDB. Similarly, this angle is plus this angle is 180 degree and this plus this is also 180 degree. So we have this angle is equal to this angle. So angle PCA is equal to angle PBD. And angle P is common, right? So angle APC is equal to angle BPD. So if you observe this triangle and the bigger triangle, they are similar but A is exchanged with D instead of B and C is exchanged with B. So triangle PAC is similar to triangle PDB, right? So similar triangles, what are the properties? the corresponding sides are in equal proportion. So PA by PD is equal to AC by DB is equal to PC by PB. So now let's take this and this. AC and DB are this. But if you see in the original figure, we have PA, AB and PC, CD that way, PA, PD. So we don't have AC and BD. So let's consider these two. What we have? PA by PD is equal to PC by PB. So PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. So if you see, it is just this length into this length is equal to this length into this length. So this is property for any external point cutting through the circle. So I'll just draw separately. So take any external point, and if it cuts the circle through 2 lines and 4 points, AB and CD, then we have PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. So this formula you can remember if you want, otherwise you have to do this derivation again. Also you can see that it is easy to observe, like once you remember that these triangles are similar, then easily you can derive this. You can derive this easily, and from that this follows. Nothing special here. Okay, now so we can apply this here. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. PA is 6, PB is 6 plus 9, which is 15. PC is 5 into PD is 5 plus x. So if we, so this and this goes 3 times. We have 18 is equal to 5 plus x. So x is equal to 18 minus 5, which is 13 centimeter. So option A is correct answer.